It's too easy, I think, in today's day and age to duplicate foods. You can go to a restaurant show anywhere and come out with an entire restaurant in cans and frozen food. We're like the complete opposite of that. It makes sense for us not to just slap a label on a wine bottle and say, hey, that's our wine.
We met back in August of 2025, and we had a couple hours where you got to measure out, find exactly what type of blend you wanted to make. Ralph came up with this blend, so it's 50% Petite Sirah, 25% Primitivo, and 25% Cabernet Sauvignon. Really unique. We don't have a blend like this in our winery.
That didn't just happen, that took a couple of hours.
We went back and forth, tried different percentages of different wines, and even just changing it 10% and narrowed it down, and that's what we came up with, and it tastes great. It was 8 total barrels. It's not a lot of wine, it's only 200 cases. And you know, what's really special today right now is you brought your wife and family out here to help us bottle, and they're on the bottling line, learning the whole procedure. It's real hands-on.
This restaurant, Frugatti, we started in 1990. One of the things that we've always done is make it from scratch, you know, do everything, you know, make it different than everybody else.
Now let's talk about the label itself.
I was 5 years old, 4 or 5 years old in that. I was so thrilled. I just got this cowboy outfit. And that picture is up in the restaurant. But one of the things that was kind of cool was everybody nicknamed me, I was Bella. So everybody was Bella Raffaele. That was their thing. And then my friends here in the United States caught on to that when they went to Italy with me, because everybody was calling me Bella. So I became Bella here also. So it became a natural thing to name it, that picture, you know, Bella Red. Not Bella Rosa, because Bella Rosa is Italian, yes it is, but Bella Red, I think, for me, says more of who I am. I was born in Italy, I'm an Italian 100%, but I'm an American citizen and I'm proud of both. And Bella Red says both to me, especially with that cowboy outfit. And that flavor that we create in the restaurant, we use wood-fired ovens there, so we needed something that kind of blends well. I think it needed to be a blend where you really kind of get that
a multitude of flavors.
Multitude of flavors, yeah, exactly. I think that's like, our customers are gonna love it, absolutely love it.